I just finished installing this 8-strip single color LED underbody kit for my motorcycle. It's 2019 Heritage Classic 114. And here's what it looks like. This is the first mode with 4 levels of brightness. Second mode is strobe with 4 different levels. The next mode is fade out. And the 4th button is off. Let me show you where I put these strips. One on either side of the tank. One under the frame on either side. 2 in the rear on these rails behind the seat. It was difficult to decide where to place these since not many points on here would allow me to have the LED pointing down or evenly on each side. And it worked out well. Doesn't stick out that bad. Gives me a little extra braking light, I guess. The final smaller ones I put here in the front. Again, difficult to decide where since there's not many points that shine down that don't move. Tucked it up right there above the horn and another one right behind the horn. Get a different perspective from that. And that did well. I fished the wires under the tank instead of taking the tank off. It was a small fish tape and it worked extremely well. All the wires I ran under the seat, above the battery, and tucked them up here, strapping them with wire ties, avoiding all the points of pressure where the seat will touch. This battery terminal on this bike was a beast. Getting a screwdriver there and then trying to fish out that bolt is difficult. Definitely do that gingerly. Side cover has to come off and then 2 plates come off of the battery. Then you can pull it out. All wires will run up into this compartment and again just strapped in nicely. If you decide to do this on a Heritage 114, these are the points that I decided to put it, and I hope it works for you. And if you decide to put them somewhere else, let me know. With this harness on this kit, I've got an extra 4 slots available, a total of 12, so I can order 4 more, which I may do in the future. Okay, peace.